Welcome to Health Portal Solutions training on unlocking a member login account. Your portal locks user accounts after a certain number of unsuccessful login attempts. When someone's account has been locked, they'll see an error message like this. The user will need to contact you so you can unlock their login account. Here's how to do it. Go to the control panel, to the existing member section. Open up the advanced search and filter the registration status by locked. Then click search. The locked user account will appear in your search results. Click the edit icon for that account. Next, change the registration status to registered. Then click save. Now, user accounts get locked because the user couldn't remember their password. So while you're here, you'll also need to give the user a temporary password. Click the Set Temporary Password button. Type in a temporary password here, then click Save. Then provide that temporary password to the user. She should now try logging in with her same username and the temporary password you just gave her. After that, she'll be prompted to reset her password and log into the portal. Thanks for watching this training. Contact HPS support with any other questions.